Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to start subtraction equations. Just like last week, we started on Wednesday and Thursday with the addition equations. So what can you do if you just have a subtraction equation? How can you solve it? Well, you're going to do the same things as what you did when you were doing the addition equations. So you can use some manipulatives. And today, since it's zoo day, I thought that I would use some animal crackers. So let's start with that. I have a whole bunch of animal crackers. Let's see if we can use them to figure out 6 minus 3. So I'm going to put 6 animal crackers over here. Then I'm going to put the rest of these off to the side so I don't get mixed up, okay? So here's my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need to take away 3. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? I have 3 left. 6 minus 3 equals 3. The answer that you get when you're doing a subtraction problem is called the difference. So this 3 is the difference of 6 minus 3. Okay, let's try this one. 4 minus 1. Here we go. I got my 4 animal crackers. And I have to take away 1. How many are left? Hey, 3. Once again. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Let's try this one. 7 minus 7. So I've got to put my 7 animal crackers here. Here they are. And then it says I have to take away 7. How about that? How many are left? 0. 7 take away 7 equals 0. Okay, so we can use some kind of counter like this, animal crackers or buttons or paper clips, whatever you have at home. That's one way that you can solve subtraction equations. Another way, you guessed it, use those tools that you carry with you all the time. So here we go. We're going to start with 8. I'm going to put 8 fingers on. And then I'm going to take away 2. So 8, take away 2, leaves 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Now remember how I said with the addition equations that you could go either way? Like you could do 2 plus 8 instead of 8 plus 2. Can't do that with the subtraction, okay? You always have to start with this first number because that's the whole. We have to know what the whole is and what we're taking away from the whole to figure out what's left. So always go in this order, friends, okay? So let's do 10 minus 5 with our fingers. Ready? 10, take away 5 equals 5. Good. That's the difference of 10 minus 5. It's 5. Okay, and we have one more to do. We'll do an up and down one, friends. It's the same thing. This says 9 minus 4 equals. So let's figure it out with our fingers. Here we go. 9 fingers. Take away 4. You get 5 again. 9 minus 4 equals 5. Okay, so that's your challenge today. I've got your attachment of subtraction equations for you to do today, and you need to use either some counters or some fingers to figure them out. Okay, see you tomorrow.